What's up, everybody? It is a cool, almost crisp early spring day here at Camp Griddlemore, and we are ready to make a nice hot breakfast. On today's episode, we are going to make Mom's favorite camping omelet. This is the omelet that my wife Stephanie requests on every single camping trip, and she's going to get one made for her this Mother's Day. So let's dedicate this episode to her and to all the camping moms. This omelet is delicious. It is packed with feta, with turkey bacon, and with veggies. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, let's get our griddle prepped. We want to make sure that we're on level ground here, and we can use these awesome adjustable leveling feet on this Blackstone griddle, because when you're making eggs, you do not want an unlevel griddle because they will run all over the place. Let's also make sure that we have our rear grease trap installed, and then let's hook up the griddle to our RV propane quick connect. Let's get started by prepping our veggies. First, we're going to slice our baby tomatoes really thin. We're going to cut the stems off the baby spinach, and then my wife Stephanie already had some green onions cut at home, so we brought those camping with us. Then we're going to get the griddle fired up and get our turkey bacon cruising. Once our turkey bacon is done, we're going to pull it off, and we're going to actually stack them on top of each other and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to slide that right into the bowl with all of the veggies so we don't get any more dishes dirty than we have to. We are going to use 3 eggs for our omelet, which seems just about right for the Blackstone omelet ring. And then we're going to add a little bit of milk and just a little bit of the SPG, because remember, there is salt in the turkey bacon, there is salt in the feta, and there is salt in the butter. The first time I made this, it was way too salty, so we're just going to put a pinch of salt here in the eggs. We are going to want our griddle on a low heat for this, and trust me, it really helps to go low and slow on an omelet. We're going to pour our eggs into the omelet ring on low heat. We're going to let them get nice and settled and cook, and then once they're solidified a little bit, we're going to pull that omelet ring off, and at that point we can tidy up the edges if we want to, if things got a little messy. Now, I know some of you are very worried about having runny omelets out there, so if that's you, you could just flip your omelet over right now and then add the toppings. But I am totally confident and not worried about it being runny inside. I know I'm going to let it cook through. So I'm going to go right ahead and add the toppings here. I'm going to put in my spinach, I'm going to put in my sliced baby tomatoes, I'm going to put in my turkey bacon and put in a sprinkling of the feta, and then we are going to roll this up, and it's basically 3 rolls, like a trifold, and then we are going to give this omelet a flip. All right, let's get this omelet on the cutting board and bring it back over here into the camp kitchen, and we're gonna add on some awesome toppings to make this thing look beautiful. So we're gonna put some slices of the baby tomatoes on there. We're gonna put some of those pre-cut green onions on there, spread some turkey bacon around, and then we are going to add some more feta, because you can never have enough feta. Everything is better with feta. And then the key step, we're going crisscross hot sauce on this with some sriracha. I had to let Stephanie get the first bite of this omelet, of course, because this is her favorite, but now it's time for me to dig in and eat and enjoy. This was so delicious, and I have to admit I was a little cynical about the turkey bacon at first, but it works really well in here. It goes really well with the feta. Make sure you don't overdo the salt, because there's a lot of salty elements in here. And then the crisscross sriracha sauce at the end makes this. And the green onions add a nice little crunch too. This all comes together so perfectly. It is a perfect Mother's Day camping omelet. So I hope to see you all at the campground, and happy Mother's Day to all of the camping moms.